Hello everyone, hello Capricorn, how are you? Now this is your career, business and money reading for the month of September. So let's see Capricorn, what you have in September or what we have in September. I'm a Capricorn too. Hopefully some awesome stuff here. Being a general reading, not all messages might resonate with you, so keep whatever resonates. And this is based on your Sun, Moon and Venus rising. So you could check out those videos as well, the messages could resonate with you here. So with this shuffle, we just start. I've shuffled the cards before too, but we'll just do it. Temperance. So we will find out. This is talking about balance, it's talking about patience, it's about healing. Maybe healing in the sense that, maybe, you're working, because I somehow feel that balance, healing, and working with the flow, going with the flow, let go with the flow. This is what I get from this card here. It's a Sagittarius energy, so maybe a person, Sagittarius could help you with this situation. Let me clarify this card. So Ace of Pentacles. So it's a new situation. It's something that you have been working on. Ace of Swords. Sorry. So it's a new. It could be a communication. It could be a breakthrough. Information coming to you, and maybe that is like you need to work with passions, with balance, and going with the flow. Whatever information you are processing that, you are analyzing that, and moving forward. This is what I feel here. Ace of Swords is a great energy, very positive card here. This could also be talking about breaking new grounds, success, abundance, prosperity. That thing you want to work on, work it out with balance and patience and going with the flow. Do not rush into things. That is what I feel here. You are divinely guided, you are divinely blessed. This is with this card here. If you can see here, you are divinely, this is divinely guided. You have the blessings of the divine, and you need just to have that patience and balance, and things will fall with your sustained effort, with your sustained success effort that you are putting in, with sustained focus. Definitely it's about gaining success, gaining what you want here. So talking about good overall, very great card coming here for Capricorn. This is what also with this card, it could be like people you could in publishing, or could do really well for themselves here with publishing. Media houses could really do very well here with this Ace of Swords. Yeah. And people into analytics also, analyzing. I mean, those who have a job with analytics, to do something new will click, and they are really going to get applause and praises for that here. People with publishing and media advocates, really getting all the praises here, Capricorn. So let's see what others are also going to do well, because this is Ace of Swords. It's about changes, it's about abundance, it is about prosperity, like working on that situation. Divinely guided with patience and balance required. Go with the flow. So what else? It feels you are highly motivated also, this is what I feel here. There's a lot of work, but it's okay. Till you want success, you need to work hard. Three of Rods. So reaching out to people, fanning out to people, looking for expansion, looking for growth, working towards it, waiting, trying to figure out which the people in your life, or who could help you, connecting with people here. Basically reaching out to people, fanning out to people, to which will help you with your business situation, with your deals, with your collaborations, even in your job situation, in interviews. It could be there. I see there are certain this is like some of you might have some interview rounds here, Capricorn. So of course you will be successful in interviews here. This is what I feel. Now clarification card, Ace of Cups. What, Capricorn? It makes me happy too. Here, Ace of Cups. This is about you feeling emotionally, maybe whatever you have been waiting for, that you will see some results here. This is going to make you emotionally very happy, fulfilling. You will like what is coming. You will see that success is coming with your work. As you are doing your work, success is coming to you. So that will make you emotionally fulfilling. This also talks about a new idea. There is a certain idea that you want to work on, and of course this idea will give you overflowing abundance, overflowing prosperity, and it's going to make you emotionally really happy. I mean, there will be a balance, a lot of balance, lot of happiness here. So maybe some of you wanting to take up a new idea, and you have put it across towards people who are interested or who would be interested, and you're waiting for an answer for them. This also talks about waiting for a negotiation. So of course you will be negotiating in the best terms. You will be a great negotiator, and you will get the best negotiating deals here. This is what I see, Capricorn, here for some of you. So you have Ace of Swords, Ace of Cups, really beautiful combination. I mean, there will be lot of contacts, communication coming also with these cards, I feel here. And you will be traveling. Some of you will definitely be traveling for work related purpose, to reach out to people. This is what I get here, Capricorn. What else for Capricorn? My sun is in Capricorn. Two of Pentacles. This is about juggling. Maybe you are juggling here 2 jobs, or a business and a job situation together, or maybe it's just an idea that you want to juggle, like you want to trying to figure out how to balance those 2 ideas together, to work together. This could also be talking about juggling your own the outside world and the inner world. It could be talking about balancing your spiritual, the inner soul, and your outer ambition and other things. So maintaining an overall balance in your own life, gaining the ground here. Sometimes you may be feeling it's all work, and there is you might be feeling the need for inner peace. So it could also be you trying to maintain a balance, you trying to regain your balance of inner peace and outer ambitions that you have here. So let me clarify what is this regarding juggling here. Okay, so this is talking about 6 of Swords here. So basically some of you are juggling with the idea of travel. You are in 2 minds whether you should move or not move. It could be a relocation or a transfer. This is what I feel here. Or maybe for job purpose and business you need to travel a lot. So it's basically being very busy with traveling. That is what I get here. Juggling places, moving lot of places. This is also I get, but you are trying to balance it out. You are trying to work hard as much as possible. You are trying to maintain that fine balance so that all the things are in order here. And others, what I feel, that relocation, you are into 2 minds, that whether it's gonna work or not, or it's rather it's about it's like you are confused a little, that whether you should move or not. How is the new place going to be? Some of you who are thinking of relocating or are relocating. This is for this is for some of you here again. So juggling here, this is what I feel. What else? One more card for Capricorn. One more card for Capricorn. I don't believe this. Ace of Wands. Communication. Lot of communication. Lot of communication to you. Lot of new ideas. It's fire and earth sign you are working with. Sagittarius, Leo, Aries, and then you have Aquarius, Gemini, Libra people whom you are working with partnership here. Let me clarify what is this regarding. Knight of Pentacles here. So working on your stability, you are having, this is you wanting to work on an idea which will get you a solid ground. You want a solid financial foundation. Basically it talks about money situation. So definitely if you are working on this new idea, new growth, it is going to get you growth and also will bring stability to your life. Now this talks about changes also, so some changes could come because this is Ace of Wands. You can see here there could be a sudden change coming to you, and it could be sudden money also for some of you, because you are getting this sudden opportunity of earning money. This is what I get because you have this Knight of Pentacle card also here, so which will add some stability to you. So sudden money for opportunity for some of you here, and you are working on some ideas which will bring you long-term stability. Of course, this is a slow moving energy. It might come in September, it might not come, it might come in the next month, but definitely whatever you will be working on with Ace of Wands will get you stability, will get you a solid foundation for your financial foundation, and it's going to come slowly. So this is, Capricorn, it's good. I see here you have Knight of Pentacle card, so it's a Virgo person. So already I told you have Two of Pentacle here, so Virgo, Capricorn and Taurus here, Sagittarius, all air, and I think almost except the you have the Ace of Cups too. So all signs are here, Capricorn. You're working with all the people around, you're reaching out to all the people who can help you with your business job. This is what I feel. Money, definitely I think with this Pentacles really relating to like real estate and stock market, you could get opportunity to earn money. Invest wisely, that is what I would say. So this is it, Capricorn, for now. Just workload, you need to take your time out for because you are all about work. So take your time out to relax, spend some time with your family too. This is what I feel here as an advice. It's just a personal advice here. So let's see the angel guidance card here. Angel guidance for Capricorn for September, career, business and money. Go with the flow. So already we got this here, it seems. Go with the flow and let things happen. So you have divine blessing. 3 aces, Ace of Wands, Ace of Cups, Ace of Swords. What else? We just need to leave it to the divine. We just need to work hard and leave it up to the divine here. So go with the flow. So one more card, Unicorn. Invites serendipity. So Unicorn, you need to be your own. You are different, you are unique. So this is what I call Unicorn, is the one-horned horse. So you have seen so many horses, but what makes Unicorn different is that one horn that is present. So make yourself unique, and success is yours. So this is what I get, Capricorn. Thanks for taking your time out and watching this video. If you do like my readings, please subscribe to my channel, and till then, take care, bye, lots of love, and see you in the next reading. Thank you.